everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I am pretty excited for this coming week at Walgreens. So if I were you guys, if you guys need to order extra coupons for certain deals, definitely do it so you guys can get it ahead of time. I did make a video of where I get my coupons at, so definitely check that out. But I was going through the ad and I think it is going to be an awesome week. This is for July 8th to the 14th. I am ready to get shampoo wasted. I actually think July is going to be a great month to get shampoo wasted. So you guys will have to stay tuned for those deals. But let's just continue on what is on page 1. Now they do have a lot of makeup for if you spend $20, you'll get $5 in a register rewards. So I think, I don't know if that is a register reward in points or if it's a register reward. It just says register rewards. So letting you guys know on that. Here they got candy 2 for $1. Now we do have those 50% off of 2 coupons in the 610 Retail Me Not. You guys can use
candy in my hand.
Yeah, you guys can use that coupon. You guys will end up getting both of them for 50 cents or $1 a piece, which is a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in something like that. They got Palmolive dish soap, 99 cents. It looks like there's going to be a 50-cent online coupon. You guys will just get it for 49 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal for soap. Arm & Hammer is going to be on sale for $1.99. I don't think there's any coupons out there, but that could be a decent deal. So that's right there, is on the front page, is a pretty good deal. Now we're on the second page. Now here they got some Nabisco deals for $1.49. Now we do have a 75 cents off of 2 coupon.
I never had goldfish on there.
Yeah, we have a 75 cents off of 2 coupon in the 624 Smart Source. You guys will end up getting there for $2.23 or $1.11 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that in case you guys are going on a road trip and you need some little snacks to take with you. Why not just get started with some little snacks instead of bringing the whole thing with us? Now here they got the Talente ice cream 2 for $8. Now there was some coupons that just popped up yesterday for $1.50 off of coupons.com. Now I didn't read the coupon limit, but you guys want to use 2 coupons. You guys would end up paying $5 or have them become $2.50 a piece. So if you guys really like that ice cream, my husband does. So I don't know, I might do that deal. It all depends on what you guys want for that. But they got some other kind of candies, 4 for $4. So if you guys are going to the movies, that's the best deal. Instead of paying $4 for one of them at the movies, just bring that and just take it in with you. So there is that. And now this is the page I'm excited for. They got the P&G deals again. Now it says spend 15, you get 5,000 points. Now, if you guys want to do this deal, you're better off buying 4 items for what, 19 something dollars, $19.96. You guys want to use 2 of the Tide coupons of the pods and then the liquid, and then there's other deals that you guys can do. But if you do 2 pods and 2 of the regulars, you guys want to use 2 of each of those $3 off coupons. You guys would pay $7.96, but then you get 5,000 points. It comes out to be $2.96 or just 74 cents a piece, and that is a great item. I am hoping to get some great deals with that stuff. I also see the Febreze and the Cascade is on sale, so I'm hoping to get some stuff with that. And then the Swiffer is on sale and the Bounce. So there's going to be some great deals. I'm probably going to get P&G wasted, you guys. I'll probably be making about 3 trips that whole week because I am ready to get P&G wasted. So if you guys are getting those coupons, go for it. I haven't got my P&G. I'm not getting them until Monday. So wanted to share with you guys with that. The school supplies are going to be on sale. They got the notebooks and the backpacks. Buy one, get one free. Some of the highlighters and pens are 99 cents. And some other highlighters and notebooks are 6 for $1, which are a pretty decent deal. So there is the back to school stuff is going on sale. So be prepared to start watching all the sorry, my kid's distracting me. Get ready to see all the summer stuff go on clearance. So by the time you guys start shopping the next couple weeks, it will be marking down. Here we got the Renews-Its. They are 89 cents. We are getting a buy 3 get 1 free coupon. You guys buy 4 of them. You pay $2.67. You guys will end up getting each one for just 67 cents a piece. Now sometimes in the past they've showed up on Savings Star, but I have not seen them on Savings Star the last couple weeks. So I don't know about that. Persil is $4.99. We're getting $2 off coupons, making them $2.99. Now the Persils that we have right now, those coupons do expire on Saturday, so those would be no good. Some stores do have early activation. My areas do not. So if you guys do have that, you could still use those $3 off coupons. Now we're in the little health and beauty section. Right here they show, it says $5 registry rewards when you spend $20 or more on participating products. So, not sure what we can get, but there was some $4 off of 2 coupons that just showed up for CoverGirl, so there might be some okay deals. Garnier Skin Active is going to be buy one, get one 50% off. Now we are getting $2 off coupons, I think, in this Sunday's paper, so you guys can go ahead with something like that. It looks like we're not going to be getting a lot of oral care because it looks like it's like buy 2, get the 3rd one free. So not a great week, or not a great time for oral care, but that's okay. Now here they got the Head & Shoulders, Herbal Essence, and Pantene Pro V, again on sale for buy one, give them 50% off. Now we do have some coupons. There is some deals with those. We got a 4 off of 2 for the Head & Shoulders and the Herbal Essence, and then there is a 5 off of 3 for the Pantene. So if you guys buy 3, you get 3,000 points. Now that is a deal where you guys can pay with points and you will get points. So letting you guys know what that. The Garnier Whole Blends are 2 for $7. We're getting, I thought we're getting 4 off of 2 coupons, but there it says $2 off coupon, so I'm not sure. But you guys will end up getting those for $1.50 a piece. The very bottom, they got the Garnier Fructis. Now those are 2 for $7. We're getting 4 off of 2 coupons, plus there's $1 off of 1 coupons in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will end up getting those for 50 cents each. Now, last time I looked, those coupons were a limit of 1 per transaction, which is the stupidest thing ever. But if you guys would want to do that deal, I say go for it. You're just going to have to do separate transactions, and yeah, just leaving it the way it is for that. Here they got a lot of personal coupons. Now, they got some stuff. I don't know if there's anything really good, but you guys can combine these with regular manufacturer coupons, so I'll definitely check and see what we can add with that. But yeah, now some of you guys didn't have those coupons last time, so it was weird. I don't know who does and who does not. Now we're at the personal care items. Now I was going to do the Lumify, but they're kind of a little expensive, but I might check the deal out again. Mitchum deodorant is on sale for $2.99. We're getting $2 off coupons, making them just 99 cents. So that's a great deal when you guys want to get deodorant like that. Otherwise, nothing else really like popping out at me. But they got the Tampax 2 for $14. It does say if you spend $15 or more, you guys get 5,000 points. Well, they purposely do it for that, so you have to buy 3 of them. So I know it sucks. But here we got some pain reliever medicine. Nothing really. It's just all buy one, get one 50% off. Tenya, I know there's some $2 off coupons available. So nothing that's really popping up right there. And then now here is the last page of the Walgreens ad. Now they do have the all laundry detergent for $2.99. I think those coupons that we did have expire. So I don't know if there is coupons out there. Please let me know. We got the Viva and Continental, and looks like the wipes are going to be $5 after the $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Plus, we probably have coupons for those, so if you guys are interested in that. But otherwise, really, nothing is popping out on me at the last page. But I think it's a great week for P&G items and Garnier Fructis items. So yes, you guys will definitely have to check out my haul. I'm pretty excited to finally start stocking up on shampoo and conditioner. So if you guys need those coupons, definitely make sure you guys order them. But I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.